clip.
So, oh, okay. Don't worry, I think I can just.
Can I join? So halal. So, but you know that my Dangajo Abdullah who are on behalf of council. Okay, I understand. He is the youth council. Wow. Moi bui bara den wara ke. Tin pare ni rek dañu dem. Tin pare ni rek da nga dem solo rek ñu dem. So like you will talk on behalf of the Banjul City Council. Yes. And also as the youth rep of the City Council. Yeah.
Okay.
You will welcome us.
Good morning to you all. My name is Modou Lamin, the Constituency Secretary for Banjul North, and then here on this auspicious day to honor the people of Banjul North, as we always do. Our able honorable is here in collaboration with Innovarx to offer free screening for the people of Banjul North. That is, they are calling it Know Your Number. Know Your Number as in know what your blood sugar levels are, your diabetes numbers, and then the level of your BP. So invite Betty, the head of logistics for Innovarx, to just get us through this.
Yes.
I'll help you with this.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Betty Gomez, the Clinical Operations Manager at Innovarx. Well, we were really happy to partner with Banjul North MP to come and screen and also check their BMI. Because Innovarx we're really big on making sure that people know their health status. As part of our corporate social responsibility, this is really what we do. Whenever a community calls us, we go there, screen them for free, because as we all know, there's a high prevalence of diabetes and hypertension in the Gambia. Electronic health record system tells us that 4 out of 10 Gambians have diabetes and hypertension. So this is really a noble cause that we are really proud to partner with the Banjul North NP to come and screen the people of Banjul. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Betty. And we also have the youth councillor, Honorable Abdullah Kurubali from Banjul City Council. Honorable.
Yep. Thank you very much, Modou. Thank you very much, Modou, and the MP for Banjul North, and also the Innovarx Healthcare for giving us this opportunity to have the initiative being centered in Banjul North and collaborating with the Banjul North MP. You know, and I'm speaking on behalf of myself as a youth councillor and the Banjul City Council. This is a welcoming initiative that is really welcome to the city of Banjul, more especially in Banjul North. Knowing your status of your health is very important, and as we all know, in this part of the world, we really don't look into that very much. This is why we are always into troubles in terms of our health, because we wouldn't know our health status. So having this initiative coming to Banjul North is really a welcoming initiative, and we are urging every Banjulian or anybody from Banjul North to really take this initiative seriously and also come and know your health status, because it is very important. Having this thing for free, I think is a welcoming initiative. So people should not really joke with it. I think people should come and grab the opportunity, because when you want to do this by yourself, it's so expensive that you cannot afford it. So if you have someone like the MP of Banjul North bringing the initiative to Banjul, I think definitely everybody should really catch up with the initiative and come and test their status, because knowing your status of diabetes, you know, your blood pressure and your your BMI, I think is very, very important. These are things that you cannot test by yourself. These are very expensive things when you want to take the initiative by yourself and test it. So it is a very welcoming initiative. I'm welcoming everybody to Banjul, and we are saying that the MP and the Innovarx Healthcare, you are really welcome to Banjul, and we're really grateful for having you here and giving us this test for free. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable. Thank you, Innovarx, once again. But then, the event couldn't be more auspicious because we have the ambassador from Turkey, His Excellency, here without him. So thank you very much for coming, and then welcome once again.
Thank you very much for this occasion. I would like to thank, of course, Honorable MP Ba and also Innovarx and the BCC for this kind invitation. You know, health is our most important capital, and everybody has a problem either of high tension or diabetes. We have to check. So I think this screening is crucial. So a healthy community is a healthy country. So this is my motto. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Mr. Ambassador said a healthy
Community.
a healthy community is a healthy country, and we can all agree with that. And last but not least, we will have to call on Honorable, the big man himself. Like, without him, all this wouldn't be possible. For the first time in our community, we are seeing something like this, bringing free screening to our doorsteps, making health his priority, making the people first in everything he does. So, Honorable, thank you very much, sir. Just let this one slide here.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Sane, for that important moderation. I will also want to seize the opportunity to acknowledge our partners, that is led by Madam Betty from leadership of Dr. Ismaila Baji and his team. I will also want to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Councillor, the Youth Councillor from the Banjul City Council. I will also want to acknowledge Your Excellency, the Ambassador for the Turkey people in the Gambia, that is the Turkish Ambassador in the Gambia. We are indeed honored today to be part of such an important initiative, which we the people of Banjul North will see it as the first time ever coming up with such an initiative. But I would just want to seize the opportunity to inform you that as a representative, I believe I am in Parliament to address the needs and the concerns of the Gambian people. And in doing so, I was privileged to be the Vice Chairperson of the Select Committee on Health, Refugee, Disaster and Humanitarian Relief in the Parliament. So I deem it necessary as a representative to try by all means to bring healthcare services to the doorstep of my people, and starting by my own constituency, that is the people of Banjul North. So today, we are gathered here today to witness another milestone achievement in terms of making sure that proper healthcare services are provided to our people. And in collaboration with Innovarx Global Health, we are here today to offer free preventive healthcare screening for the people of Banjul North. This initiative will cover not only the ward we are in today, Kampama ward, but the entire wards in Banjul North, that is the 3 wards in Banjul North, which comprises the entire Banjul North constituency, that is Boxbar ward, Crab Island ward, and Kampama ward. We are glad that today we are also gathered here to see today that we are bringing healthcare services to our people. And if we are ready with this important opening, I will also give you the opportunity to go inside and you see the level, let's say the turnout of people that are here with us today to see to it that they check their health status and also know their numbers as the initiative indicates. So in that regards, I will just want to say that health is indeed our priority as a representative in Parliament, and we will try by all means to make sure that our people are healthy, because we believe a healthy nation is a developed nation. A healthy nation is a progressive nation. And a healthy nation is also a sustainable nation. So in that regards, we also want to seize the opportunity to thank the media present here. Because without you people, whatever we are doing in our various corners cannot be known by the people. And these are very important things that I will also want my fellow honorable members to emulate. Because it's just a matter of going to the stakeholders like Innovarx. Concerns. Go to the ambassador, the Turkish ambassador, go to his office, talk to him about concerns, and he will try by all means to see how best they can partner with you and help your people. And this is what we need. So in that regards, I will just want to say thank you very much for coming, for witnessing such an important initiative that we bring for our people, that is the people of Banjul North. And we're looking forward for more collaboration and also more partners to come forward for other initiatives that we can do for our people to see to it that they live comfortably in our various constituencies. Sibi lolu mange wax tamit ne assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakatuhu di gërëm wa Banjul North. Wa Banjul North nak tay sen MP di Honorable Momodou Lamin Ba in close collaboration with Innovarx Global Health ñoo ñëw tey pour gis ne isil nañ leen lu ñoo oyee health care service ci seen bunti kër yi parce que leena dañ ko bàyyi xel am na ñu bari ñoo xam ne duñ lee am time pour dem ci lopitaan bi duñ ko lee xalaat sax duñ ko lee tal sax pour dem ci lopitaan bi pour check seen health status te lii la fa nekk lu am solo wérgu yaram la fa am solo ci doomi aadama. So da nga gis ne ñun ba leen toogee ba def suñ own mapping ñu realize ne as a team that is the Banjul North Constituency Coordinating and Planning Committee ñu realize ne it is important to see how best we can collaborate with partners like Innovarx Global Health to see to it ne we bring initiative to the doorstep of our people pour ñu make sure ne ñoo neen dimbale neen gars yi pour ñu xam seen wérgu yaram fan la toolu parce que foofu leen toolu si réew mi ñun jamono yi dañoo toog rek ñu ne nit dee na lana ko rey xamuñ sax lu ko rey lii mu nekk a very big concern to my office mu nekk a very big concern to the entire community of Banjul North and by extension Banjul so ñu ne ñu ñëw ak initiative bi bu ñoo ooyee what's your number and what's your number is all about making sure ne ñu provide la free preventive health care test boo xam ne comme screening boo xam ne di nga xam fa nga toll si sa wàllum wérgu yaram so lii nag tey ñu ngi commencé ak campement woot si tunda Banjul North waaye ëllëg ñu ngi dem the other side of Banjul North ba pare dinañ continuer tamit to the other wards pour make sure ne cover nañ all the wards in Banjul so lii yëpp soo gisee ñu ko def parce que wérgu yaram yi suñ nit yi is our concern te as a representative in parliament yàlla def na ne I am the vice chairperson of the select committee on health so lii ma jënaa taxaw pour make sure ne bu ma nekk si parlement bi rek di wax waxi wérgu yaram waaye tamit naka lay directly impacté suma nit yi te lii mu nekk initiative boo xam ne alhamdulillah with my team this is the first of its kind te di ñaan yàlla tamit pour jënaa collaborate with other partners in the future pour isi more initiatives yoo xam ne dina jëriñ suma askan dina jëriñ suma nit yi si biir loolu tamit ñu ngi gërëm media houses yi si seen teewaay fii apprécier nañ ko torop te xam nañ liggéey bu baax boo leen nekk di def si réew mi te ñu ngi leen a ñaanal yàlla tamit yàlla jël leen a sama ngeen a jën a enlightened doomi adama Gambia yi o niti Gambia yi pour ñu jën a xam liggéey yu baax yoo xam ne suñ maas yi ñu ngi ko def si réewi Gambia jërë ngeen jëf asalaamaaleykum.
Thank you very much, Honorable Kurubali. Thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador. Thank you so very much, Innovarx Global Health. And most importantly, thank you very much, Honorable, for this wonderful initiative. And thank you all for being here.
So we can go inside. You see the ambassador, you can engage with people. Yeah.
That's a clip. Thank you. Thank you.
Your monkey, your circus.
Wow, agad yung nalajok eh. Why do you feel it? Mungkin filter ni wala nga. Bila nila trial.
Madam, please.
So basically, there's a patient here. So the nurses will take their details in the form that they will take home with them as their own record. But Innovarx will also have their record that they use to input in our electronic health record system that later we will present to the MP of Banjul to see the percentage of people that are most likely diabetic, hypertension or borderline, right? So she'll do that and later we'll take their blood pressure, blood sugar, and then explain the numbers to them so that they will understand and make recommendations, right? So she's basically engaging her just to get some history, yes, as part of the test. But as we could see there, I think the blood sugar is being taken right now for this patient. The nurse is trying to distract him so that the pricks will not. Yes. And then we just basically take this number. Within seconds, you'll get the reading.
So you can also talk with the people, and I know your Olaf is not very good yet.
My Wolof is very bad.
Very bad. What about your Mandinka?
Very bad as well.
Yes. Welcome. Yes. Moom mooy ambassadeur public to the Gambia. Waaw moom tamit la fa ñëw pour fekkee exercise bi. Waaw di ko baax la tamit daf lay taxaw ñu bari ñoo xam ne suñ feebaree pour yóbbu leen tokki. Waaw pour dimbale leen. Yes. Waaye balaa ko waxee nii mu ne ma ne nii ne foog ma ñëw seet ba pare ma participer tamit. Yes, I know you'll be tested, right? Before you go. Yes? You know what it is? I know. Yes. So what we try to do is to make sure that we have a certain area of women, you know, especially elderly women, the old people, in constituency. So as you can see, the crowd is increasing. Yes, if people are coming. And like that we have said, this will help us to support our people. At the end of the day, we know exactly what to do as far as this is concerned. Tomorrow we go to the other side because Banjul was yes. We're going to try by all means to cover the people. This is all about people, and we will keep on bringing initiatives like this to their doorstep so that they can also feel the impact of how we are representing them. Because we don't just have to be in parliament talking about, participating about issues when we are not directly there. It's important to come down to the grassroots and see how much we can impact them. It is
Together.
Of course. So I will try by all means to, because you know by next week the present will be high. But I will surely pay a visit.
Let's meet.
I will send you a letter so that I can pay a courtesy call with my entire team, so that you will know exactly what plans we have. Of course.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. Hello. How are you?
Hi.
Can you talk to us a little bit? What's the importance of all these different tests? I see you're doing 3 different tests, you know?
Yes, so we're doing the hypertension test. That's basically checking their blood pressure. And based on the range and reading, we'll break down to them whether they are most likely hypertensive, whether they are borderline or not. And then we'll later have them redo the blood pressure checks because you do not diagnose the hypertension just once, right? If it's really high, we'll encourage them to do it once, the second time and the third time, right? And if, of course, they are known to be hypertensive patients, we'll give them recommendations as to the treatment or the management, I should say, because it's NCDs, it's lifelong disease, right? We'll also do a diabetic test that will check their blood sugar, and based on the range, we will also advise them. We have a nutritionist on board that we could get on board, have them have a follow-up, and then later we could really help them manage their diabetes and hypertension, and of course their BMI. Yes. Yeah.
So how many people do you think that you will be targeting today, or within Banjul North? How many are you?
So on average, because we've done this in different areas, we would have like 150, 200. But if more come, we will screen them. We're here till 2 p.m.
And you have enough equipment for how many?
Oh yes, we have like we brought 300 just in case. But the average normally when we go out is 150 to 200. But we're here till 2. As they come, we will screen them. We won't leave.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Yeah. Okay.
And well done for the good work you people are doing at Innovarx. So that's it. Everything is finished. That's a lovely video there. Good way to end it. You can see interacting with the people of Banjul North. Yeah. Meet and greet with the community of Banjul North. Some of the people.
Very nice to meet you.
I went to them the last time. I explained to them about what I want to do. They appreciated the idea. He's the Turkish ambassador in the Gambia. Yes. Yes, in the Gambia. So
Very nice to meet you, sir.
He's here today to at least join us and also to say to us that this initiative is a success, and we are hoping also to collaborate with you.
What's your number? Do you know your number? Here's your chance to do so. Whew.